Miurianka Nasuna Kachio Uye Bribia Eyareniye Moriasi Ye ubekuwa enwa na ubecha Eyareniye Obinu ya kwadun kocha bodie Eyareniye Obrabani se wobro penti Eyareniye Misihwe onafu femu ye wati Eyareniye Uya bwani ya edi weni munti Eyareniye Uya papa nsu asa Eyareniye Abraba wewe ya mama minua Eyareniye Shienya sa owiasimu Eyareniye moriasimu
And I made me so, and I would say the OT. It is so ye be down the agreement to home. Because some officers said me, and they better come in here. A dear the minier, man ye nephew. Me, who can be? I never yet. What about Bessia? She came in here, yes, somebody sit down. Would you see about some baby and sa? Oh, ye me, would you numb to 7 now? Was in back. Will be the baby and the back of you. A better may a yamau. I don't know, yet a prophet, you be so when you know, won't care about the son of a call. Who shouldn't have shout, elbow with total. I don't know, I can't say, me from my call. No, no, was to die over me. Fighting, the woman said, maybe I'll guess it now, dear. You said now, dear. You want me what did that because somebody may buy, yeah, change up a project. So what said that? What if I want to have Me be found now for catching me. So we are a kingdom. It's a bishop. I'm part of this government. Would I see blocks to go? Would you see that you have some watching any more appropriate? A true a day, a true says a bar. The Pacasipia, the Pacific, Betty, or Jackie, Mamma, Pacasipia, and no buy Gracia, the TT. A little more for Doma Sassy. It's the Mamma Castle, more for Pampai, no Dimitri. What's to say? Miss from that year, more for Pampai, no Dimitri. I come also about me see, more for Doma Sassy. Just a minute, when I every day, I will grow away. What the way? Yet the dog, and somewhere yet the dog. Say, I catch me. Say, I'll catch me. That's a problem for me. I catch me. Where yet the dog? Say, Mamma, who I yet said, what you say, I mean, get myself, would I be to me? Gradually, I can't know. And yet, yes, I'll create now. What's so what I know? Me no will be in the neck anyway in the chin. Let's all say, baby, I would not know it's right. My family white. Me free has way. A two better fear. The Bemako drop, no, they are broke. Why a tower be me better Sumpo. Me better the Yafa. Me better the Yafa. I'm a war where you were for. Could see Amity. One can say, ye, me know what you grana. Would drop Brahma, Luciano. Me will found Grana and Mafam City. Oh, which I say. Me see me no talk. Me better family white. I didn't like to myself a catch lemon. Ah, I didn't hear the man when some mamma catch lemon. Ah, I got the son of my ministry. I'm a swan so back at choice of making in your body belly. If you are no crowd with your befiano, Chemi, let me more be. If you are no crowd, see what your befiano, Mrs. Chemi, Mammy, I'm not in my mom won't say. I be a girl or the gentleman. I am people, men of my mouth said you sir, I won't need. Sir, decision, Jimmy. Ma'am, so my Jimmy, Ray, Patrick, I got that. You're yummy, fool. You're we yummy, they know that you want me to know. Pay them no better. What's the crocus you win in your human desire? Wait to me, Mobra. Charlie, where you the Mobra? Wait, oh, you're the Mobra. And then they would say, what you what did you tell me? You're able to say, I walk a can I'm a travel as a commodore. Or being a baby, I walk a say and I say. No, God, you jump at the out of the puppy. Oh, my papa, Johnny, this. She say about my papa, Fonse, are they? What would they say? What they will say? So when you are home, make change when you try to see what I was a PM. Gratis, we are here. Men Panato Tom and Pananoa, and you are being home. So what did I make a child? That's my question. Yes, I never hear you. And you are not the other, it's in the mouth. Yes, okay. Go for body, back to me as a way, it's your son about your house. Maybe you can never know how you are. Say good. Did your mamma make a legend? I didn't see a piano. You are not one man. I could be a woman who is so woman. And let me get the Pamano and Snammy. I cheer in what? All the same. Kwabena Jesse ose kwaku Jesse. Jesse! Me frau. Me la brama me no nya sanka ebi. Akosia. E die be mboni poti na be dia yewa. Na fe do wu nsem ye nipa. Ha? Na nya ni ntina me frau no. Twa no kasa tenti ya say. Ya baby Diamond. Sisi we need to say we be secondary school. And say a travel so man university. Yeah yende. Akosia. Dey okay na menitua. Na yeah yende ya bisa mi. Wo I have to be a woman, see a person because of manager.
Hey, that is when you want to solve a man at school.
Oh, so come here, the person. The Sabri and woman to see a didn't couple. It is a big ya. What do you feel? A fibber, a beer, a frasen, when you're actually.
Remember me, Papa and Snaho. Nanya Mitchla, you did not go school. But we saw a person, you may be now pro. Said you why you want to this one. A proper and me who say what him. What was our bambana pro? And the gun I away, one or say no more tunnel. What names are Duma Brabo and Obiabo? And member wash your woman, I say, I want to Mundiana. Oh, when you don't want Chamo, I want to Sawa, and she nearly Ashayama. Who would you get on travel?
I could say, I would trade now, would be natural. Now, what he has said, if I get an amateur, come wouldn't met you. My now soon would. It is a bit of a which I was out there to home. No such one making us and Pam. What?
To two near me, I can hear this and watch the one who probably to 2 years for a someone I'm now, that you be Babu Crescent, your one boys away. Can you say, we shall walk piano when you're piano with jumping out this one and let your facade mass. What? And your what? Maybe Bandy, oh, mints now, and the one yet a sabro no. Mekome busi on wako pebesia. Se menye bikura tokuru pia mefebia. Menye bisia woman. Owa bisia kura meko wako shishe. Na mama me baba na ko school.
Salo akano amati. Kepia me babo frano mo bia no so. Oya minti metia.
Check your watch there.
Oya gin.
Check your watch there. Wo be simi swanka, wa sha me ma. Wo be simi swanka, wa sha me ma. Me nko na kebia bebe bia wo be chia. Ye yada.
Akota. When you make a sacrifice, I be told. When you say Namity, on can name ye, and then I mean, Jimmy.
And the one Jina Shakai, and I ben say a mount, a Pascal mount, and the one there.
Daddy, Mommy is packing her things. She's packing her things. She said she's going to the city.
Oh, but that man, I said, Pierre, I make a job. I saw so to the no, but let me hear.
So, are you going to allow her to go just like that?
Naming day for Brian, you want to be there. Mamma, me and day, Macasano, a year in Anajo. What's all the garment to me? Manoko.
Mas, you're really going.
Mints now, and my mebano and the Namasao. Me walk with Peppy said not to school. What's it? No, why you bra? Why you bra to a car? It is one. Me, my mebano, yes, sir.
The poor man that's all back out with you. Let us watch our dancer with that one. Hey, I was see, I would throw. Now, one once now. What I would try, and then you come out from Matty.
Yes, I'll be and yet let. Shine one for to walk, no one could tell you to. One working, yellow crew. What is that? That's how we are, Ramadan. What's it? To make them walk or walk for. I want to see a crowd of Baku Shama. Now we have to school, so I take them crown. Go back to school. Anita, have you thought about what I told you yesterday? Stella, but you know I have a husband. Husband, my foot. You call a man that cannot provide for you a husband, huh? Anita, what sort of husband is he? See, these big men in town, they just use you and dump you. They are all a set of unserious people. I don't want to be deceived. Alhaji is not like that. All he wants is somebody to keep him company. That's all. And he will provide everything you want. I mean, everything. I still feel it's wrong. I still feel it's wrong. Anita, don't let your feelings deceive you. This is an opportunity to put your life back together. Or have you forgotten about your daughter's education and your own survival? This is a chance of a lifetime, so grab it. You need to open your eyes wide. This is Accra. And every day a fool comes to the city. So make it a point to catch them as soon as they land.
That I want to give you a surprise. See this little apartment? I rented this little apartment just for you.
For me?
Yes.
Thank you, Alhaji. Thank you so much.
At least for 1 year, you can do whatever you want to do with it. As our relationship progresses, I know what to do next for you.
Thank you, Alhaji. I'm shocked. Alhaji, thank you so much.
It's so beautiful, I think.
So much, Alhaji. I'm so much appreciative, Alhaji. Thank you so much, Alhaji.
I know. And as you can see, I have actually bought the latest electronic gadgets so that you can use them. And from today onwards, everything in here is your property.
Mine?
Yeah. Yeah, you see.
Alhaji, how can I thank you?
I know. You see, you deserve more than this. Actually, you deserve a mansion. Okay? I don't know, but I'll do more than this as our relationship progresses. Okay?
Thank you so
I'll do more. I'll do more. Come.
Wow, Madam Inspector. This place is just marvelous. No, I'm surprised. Hey. See how your life has changed from grass to grace overnight. Stella. And how do I even say thank you? Oh, drop that. How do I thank you? Drop that. This This is life. Yes. Honestly, this is life. Yeah. And I'm going to enjoy every bit of it. It's all you, sweetheart. But sweetie, let me advise you. There is more you can achieve from this relationship. I know Alhaji, I know him very well. All you have to do is to treat him as you would have treated your husband. That's it.
To treat Alhaji like I would have treated my husband. You leave that old thing at the village alone. To be honest, sister, I'm going to do everything possible. I mean, everything possible to be his bride. Because what Saul couldn't do for years, David has done it within some few seconds.
I like the spirit.
That is it. Simple.
Minyano, unim ofam. Me tarnis ofam. Why me why? Bonus. Hey. I'm glad you've caught up so soon. I mean, just look at all these things. You just look away and come and but there's one thing I don't like about this place.
What is it?
Hey, mommy. Mommy, whose car is this?
Media.
So soon? Hey!
Because that's the
Many would dear man here. I didn't know you come with Shessy.
same. I'm glad you're man here.
Hey,
how about this? Hey,
share the tenor say a radiatum. What I ain't to me, the call some me quack pair, be big a cranum black to school, DBI. It's ancient. About the phone.
So when am I going to the city?
Ancient very soon. To Bob one free neck ya Bobo Bibiano, when you're my Fibia singing. Who many more Puana?
Who the fell bed in Okoto City? Let us submit ye. What Jamie and I say, our red now.
I could cry wine after. I could cry wine neck a sound.
But mom is Papa going with us?
Yes, I think we are going together.
You think why so? Now, we me do the major when you think so. One I shall happen.
I got to be yo. Maybe I see my one. And yes, and saying that, and the easy coming the Patterson. Now we have to be at you.
And that's the American trust say, Sika and a different. So when you want, when this car was in shop,
there's a massive shop.
It's where me, you baby, and the Macross here. Sweetheart, Jim. What's all?
And I'm gonna papa bet.
Hey! Oh. Hey! What else if Papa?
So wouldn't him? No woman in this car will be into Brobegun.
So what did I make a journal?
Shall I first year? When you brought my brother, me young, so I will share with him for that.
What's the Papa?
Oh, mommy.
Now, you're going to put it and once I go to
so not a year, your friend is saying. Itekuma, on your Hunkwanans, no, Sudidi.
I put the friend to Where would I share some canteen when I said, "Yes, I could." And this was what went to the
how, yeah. Madam, pen could be a madias.
Yes, I would say, then we say.
I didn't know who a good room say. When so close to an answer, I am not trouble. I didn't say the crowd. Diamond, never be found. Now, walk to school. So what's it? Sweet. I'll see you. Okay, mommy. Okay. Oh, I love you. Bye.
Alhaji, I can explain.
Anita, is that what you've been doing behind me?
No, never.
But what's going on here? Alhaji, what are you doing here? Pepper! Is that what you're asking me? Didn't she tell you I rented this apartment for her? Didn't she tell you the money that I spent on her?
I can explain. It's not as you think. He came and...
You say you can't talk? You say you can't talk? You see that you can't talk? I am disappointed in you. Very, very disappointed in you. Anita! For all the money that I spent on you, giving you an apartment, look at all that I've done for you. So this is what you do behind me. You are a prostitute. You are a whore. You do things that I don't know. But you will pay for it. You disappoint me. Hi. I see.
Right. You see what? Where are you going?
Thank you.
Nana.
It's okay. It's okay. Let me alone. It's okay.
Don't do this to me. I mean, you two can't walk out on me like that.
And I'm for me and Wafa wamwe Asiani se man kantra use kunumie no Edituo Wagwani muase Afena usuna tane wadwenju.
You really disappointed me. How could you, my friend?
Anita, don't you know Alhaji and Nana are friends? Don't you know?
No, Stella, I know, but Nana wouldn't let it be. I know.
This is shameful. Very disgracing, my friend. I mean, how could you sleep with two friends at the same time? Anita, how could you?
You must understand me too. I was pushed. Besides, I thought Alhaji was out of the country, not knowing it was a setup.
It wasn't a setup. The meeting was postponed. Even if he had traveled, he didn't have to go ahead and sleep with his best friend.
I don't... Confused. I don't know what to do. I'm even trying to reach him, but his phone is switched off.
I know Alhaji. He's a very emotional person and I believe he's hurt. So he will do anything to avoid you. Better find him and apologize. Because you know without Alhaji you are nobody.
What do I say? What do I say?
Just make up a good lie. I mean, anything to cool him down.
And do it fast before it's too late.
Yeah, day. Remember,
When you're going somewhere,
some way when you need.
now you know when you're going somewhere.
When some nana, yes, and I'm what you.
Do you like it? Wow.
Hey, yeah, this is
Class paradise.
really. Oh, God.
Mom, you look disturbed. What is wrong?
Nothing. I'm just feeling tired. That's all. In fact, finding a school for you wasn't as easy as I thought.
So, am I going to start?
You just arrived. Oh, relax. Relax yourself a bit. We have more time to talk about your school and other things as well. Just relax.
Mommy. What about Dad? Are we going to leave him all by himself in the village?
Oh, I can see you didn't come here to learn. Eh? But rather to put your nose into things that are irrelevant, right? As far as I am concerned, listen, your father is history, and I am not ready to learn history now. Can keep your feelings to yourself. Excuse me. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, you no need to have a pension. No need to have a pension. And to look with the piano. Next year, when you be a neighbor. Sorry, father. Hey, come on. Come your things and let me go and show you to your room. Come on. Come on. Don't stop asking me questions about your father. Straight, go. Go straight, that's your room. Put your things there.
And I'm for me and Wafa wamwe Asiani se man kantra use kunumieno Editwo Wagwani muase Afena usuna tane wadwenjune Ani arewo Usi apini Efri suba moniti na wa mane.
But you should have told me that you were moving with my friend. You should have told me.
I'm sorry.
Indeed, you should feel sorry for yourself. As you can see, I cannot move with a woman with multiple lovers like you. Alhaji is my friend and a very good business partner as well. I cannot look at you to stand between the two of us. No, I cannot do that.
I can assure you, from this very moment, I will have nothing to do with Alhaji.
That is your problem. As I have said every now and then, I am no more interested in this relationship, period.
No, you can't say that. Just give me a second chance.
I said there are a lot of men out there. You can go out there and then pick amongst them.
No, it's you that I want.
Me? Nonsense. You thought you could make the two of us at the same time. You see, woman, I don't have time for you. I don't have time for you. Fine.
Yakana wentia. Wokwantia di sese dia waji weniso. Mafuadu wada pati. Wani maguasi. Awo wafu omobiem wa omu ubiem. Anasuma moniti. Wajama mwe. Ane wari wadiama wen maguasi pa. Na siani sen. Kewusube ye. Kewusube ye. Kewusube na fatao Kewusube Mabra Kewusube Mabra mani dia misia na fatao Kewusube na fuachi Kewusube na fumani ade ubekwa kusio na fatao Kewusube Kewusube
I can't sleep.
I can't do anything.
How can you sleep?
Oh, I can't eat. I mean, oh God. Just, I've tried all I can to apologize to them, but none of them is willing to accept me back. I don't know.
You know something? I will advise you lay low for some time. I know them. I know them. I know one of them will definitely come back. But please pray hard.
If you say so.
Okay. They are all hurt. Pray hard, please.
But I'm praying that Alhaji changes his mind and then comes back. Sweet, I can't afford to lose that man.
So you knew you cannot do without Alhaji. See what you did. But pray.
Oh God. Sorry. Na ye day. Me huni yanka. Na pa ho. Bon sam kro jeje me pa di Alhaji. No dey. Omo free me fear na so omo free he.
When something one
Stop.
Just one will use to.
Over pass some food. We don't about that. Oh, it's Jamaica brother.
Afena usuna tane wa twenjene ani arewo usi apini every suba money tina wa una mane na uye deni.
According to this sheet, I need some money to buy some leaflets and some other things.
Diamond, I don't have money. I don't have money. I'm disturbed. I don't have money at all. I told you to wait. I'll lay my hands on something, but you wouldn't listen. I don't have money.
Mommy, this is not fair. Does that mean I'm not going to start school today?
What will happen if you don't go to school today? There are more days ahead.
No, but I want to start today.
Don't disturb me because I don't have money. I don't want to be disturbed at all. You wait, I'll see what I can do. I told you I have to go around and lay my hands on something. Don't come and disturb me. Don't come and disturb me at all.
It's not fair. You're not being fair to me. It's not fair.
It's not fair. Castle Tim wanted to.
Diamond, I've been meaning to tell you this. Do you know you're a very, very beautiful lady?
I know. Everybody keeps telling me that.
Wow. Okay, so I'm not the first. Can you find a place in your heart for me?
Meaning?
Come on. You're grown up, you know what I'm talking about. I love you. And I want to marry you.
That can't be possible, Brother Larry.
Why not? Why not? Come on, I'll take good care of you. Very good care of you. I'll help you with your education. You know, just think about it.
Are you sure?
I'm sure to even prove my point. Yep. I want you to have this. I'm proving my point.
Oh no, I can't.
No, come on. Take it. Come on.
Oh no.
Come on. Okay. We shared it 50-50.
Thank you.
So you go in there, change. I want to take you out.
Okay, I'll be right back.
All right. Try not to be too long.
What this money?
Brother Larry gave it to me.
For what?
He said he loves me and he wants to marry me and take care of my education. Isn't that great?
Diamond,
Have I told you I cannot look after you? Have I? Oh, you've started collecting money from people, eh?
Brother Larry gave this to you and you were so happy over it.
For what? Diamond, be cautious of city men. Be cautious of city men.
They will start giving you this for toffees and biscuits and whatnot, followed by lifting and then lunchy. You were happy over it.
Come on, give me the money.
Give me the money at once. Let's go. Where is he? Follow me. Hey, Larry! Come on, hurry up. Hey, where is he? Larry! Hey, Larry, or whatever you call yourself, stay out of my daughter's life, right? I don't want to see you with my daughter again, okay?
I don't understand.
You will not understand too. And what is this? Huh? What is this? Nonsense. Have I asked you to cater for her for me? Are you the one going to look after her at school? Fool.
But mommy, Brother Larry is a nice young man. He has promised to marry me.
Will you shut up? What do you know about marriage? What do you know about marriage? What will be that? What will be that? On what day was your baby crying? Sisi o chrobi mama chesa day. Baby try again no match yourself. Oh baba waro. You fool. Crazy. Let me see you with my daughter again. You see what I'll do to you. Wolf no. Why just say those sisi no? What teams are what baba say? And all the baby no match now. Idiots.
Wajama mwe ane wari wajama wen magwasipa na siani sen Kewusubeye na fatao Kewusubeye wabrapa no brabo ni dia mesia na fatao Kewusubeye na fuachi na fumoni Kewusubeye na fatao Kewusubeye
What is good about the evening? Look at your time. What says the time now? What do you want from me, woman? Haven't I warned you never to come after me anymore? And that the relationship between us is over?
No, I think we can sort this out once and for all.
Oh, I don't understand you. Now tell me, what do you want me to do for you?
You know how things are bad for me now. You are the only person that caters for me in my life.
Me, the only person? What about my friend, Alhaji? Isn't he the one who hired the flat for you? Isn't he the one? Tell me.
Mom, let's not start this thing again, please. I said I'm sorry. It was a mistake. I mean, can't you forgive and forget?
A mistake indeed. Listen and listen good. I am sick and tired about you following me all around. Get it into your head. It is over between us. Period.
You know I can't stay away from you.
I see.
I'm sorry.
Sometimes I just can't think about what you think about me. What do you take me for? Thank you. Never come near me again.
And I'm for me and one.
Yes, I have to.
Asiani seman kantra usekunumieno. Editwo. Wagwani muase. Afena usuna tane wadwendwene. Ani arewo. Usi apini. Every suba moniti na wuna mane. Na uye deni. Kewusubeye. Na fatao Kewusubeye na fatao Wajama mwe wasipa na siani sen ya usubeye na fata ya usubeye wa brapa no brapa ni dia mesia wawo na fata ya usubeye na fuachi
Anita wani mun nyame fi ade asembi hawa cheme pa o yama ko ye brao me nye school kwaya ma no makofa na fi kurase aba sika wai Alhaji ni na na so eje ba ni say ma na chewa ba obi enfi me ai to pesa o ka chem Alhaji na no mu bie no ba ba it's been drunk draw I'm not back it's been drunk draw come a catch draw I'm not watching you hey I don't watch you say go we cry me the best rose and grab a penny bika grandma shire me akasa oh now so watch me wow this having a bit 2 million I'm thinking of that grandma but let's go gradually in young kiss yeah she know where do you manage this for the start, and by the end of the month, I'll sort you out with the rest, okay?
Oh, Mommy, thank you so much.
You're welcome. I just want you to learn. Just learn for me.
Mommy, I promise I'll do just that.
Okay. Do you have something at the kitchen? I'm really famished.
I brought some yam with the stew we left yesterday.
Oh, thank God. Let me get in there myself. I'm really famished.
Mommy.
Yes.
The landlord was here this afternoon, and he said I should tell you that you're trying his patience, and when your cup has overflown, you will make sure you leave this house.
I will leave this house. It's my team. Not to know shaming, you will leave this house. About tomorrow. Have you eaten already?
In fact, I've waited too long. 6 months isn't a small time for you to pay my rent. Madam, 6 months. 6 months? Ade! Huh? And in fact, I want my money.
You give me a few months. I'll settle everything.
What for? 6 months. 6 months. 6 months. If you have put the block boss, huh? What we start coming to me say I thought I don't say that. I'm giving you an ultimatum for 3 days. Oh. You are bringing my or you are leaving this house.
3 days.
I bet 3 days or you are leaving this house.
Please. Oh.
Let me tell you this. It's because of this girl that I'm being lenient here. You understand? In fact, the very next time I come to this. Alright.
No, you know what? If you
how dare you more? How dare you more? You give your little daughter to me. A responsible man like I am. You shouldn't have a married man. And I know you are irresponsible. If thou has even angered me more, I'm giving you 3 days to bring me my money. Or I will vacate you from this room. I bet I will vacate you from this room. Your last warning. Your last warning.
na mi asa me kwasa mado pa na me samba say wiase we bio Landlord or Caslands. Grammarian landlord. Means let me fear you da. Hey.
Miurianka, Nasuna Kachio. We are prepare. Ayarenie, Morias. Ubekwa and one ubecha. Ayarenie. Obinia Quadrum Quacha Bordia. Ayarenie. Obrabani se obra penti. Ayarenie. We see here now for family wati. Ayarenie. We are Bonia Edi Weni Munti. Ayarenie. We are Papa Suasa. Ayarenie. Abrabawa ya mama mimi.
I've been to your office several times, but I'm not permitted to enter. And when I call to, you don't pick it. I just had a tip-off that you were here. That's why I followed you here.
You had a tip-off that I was here. That's why you followed me here. Anita, I thought you could move on with your life without me. Huh? Why the bother?
Alhaji, I know how difficult it is to forgive a woman you love. I mean, to see her in bed with another man. I know how difficult it is to forgive, but please, forgive me.
Oh, not just another man. Not just another man. That man was my personal friend, and apart from that, my business client. You should have known. Why? What do you want me to do now?
See, the time for the house you rented for me has expired, and the landlord too is on my neck. I have nothing, virtually nothing on me, so I'm just pleading with you so that you pay for me.
You sound very funny. Very, very funny. You should have known before going to sleep with a man. Anyway, I don't have money. These days, business is so bad, I don't have money to be throwing away like I used to do. Not even a dime. Anita, not even a dime. Okay?
Oh, Alhaji, see, please, even if you don't love me anymore, please, you pay this one for me. Just for the last time. Please.
Ha ha. Ha ha ha. Ha. You're wasting your time. I don't have anything for you. And let me tell you, I have some important things to do. Okay? So just leave me in peace.
Alhaji.
Ubekwa and one ubecha. Ayarenie. Obinia Quadrum Quacha Bordia. Ayarenie. Obrabani se obra penti.
How are you?
Fine.
Oh. In fact, seeing you, I'm lost for words, you know. I'm completely lost for words, honestly. Seeing you has made me lose a heartbeat. What's your name?
Diamond.
Diamond? Oh, you're so beautiful. So beautiful. Your name is equally beautiful. Look at you, warm hair, big brown eyes, tender toes. You know what? You're very, very beautiful.
Wow, you're making me blush.
Yeah. You are like an angel never seen before. Huh? So what do you do, Ed?
I'm a student.
Student? I see. And is that all?
Yeah.
Oh. In fact, I wish I could get closer to you, get to know you more, and probably get together with you. Anyway, if you want to know, my name is Alhaji Abdul Mumuni Salam. And my friends call me Alhaji Jegede the Big Fish. I have money. I'm a businessman and I'm a statesman.
Wow.
Yes, so I can do anything and everything for you. Yeah, I can. Diamond, the way I see you, the way you are, I wish I can marry you. I wish I can have you for a wife.
I'm just a student. And besides, my mother would never ever agree for you to marry me.
Your mother? Why? Is your mother a difficult person?
My mom is such a difficult woman.
Oh. I just told you I am Alhaji Abdul Mumuni Salam. People call me the Big Fish. Me, when the coins are falling, the dollars are flying. Look, you know what? I want to see your mother. I want to see your mother today so that I can talk to her. You are so beautiful. I don't want to lose sight of you.
No, my mom is difficult. Stop it.
Please, let me meet your mother.
Right,
I know it's true.
No, my mom is such a difficult woman. Please understand.
I want to talk with her. I can handle it. Let's go and see your mom, please. Do this for me. Do it for Alhaji, okay? Whoa.
Welcome to my house.
Thank you.
Have a seat. Let me get my mom. Make yourself so comfortable, okay?
Alright.
Alright, I'll be right back. Mommy! Ah! Is there any problem?
You go inside. I'll talk to you later. Go inside. Diamond, get inside.
I'll be back, okay?
All right.
Be comfortable. I love it.
Alhaji, I'm surprised at you. How can you do a thing like this? Knowing very well we are lovers.
Point of correction. Point of correction. We were lovers. We are no more lovers. Okay? Besides, I'm so much in love with your daughter. Pretty girl.
You are sick. You are sick. I guess you are not here to insult me. Are you? I mean, this girl is only a small child. This is an abomination. It's an abomination to sleep with mother and daughter.
Says who? Says who? Look at who is talking. Look at you. You were sleeping with my friend when we were lovers. Huh? And so, what is wrong with me sleeping with a mother and daughter? What is wrong with that? Tell me. Tell me.
Alhaji, leave my house. Alhaji, leave.
Anita, you're forgetting something, huh? You're forgetting something? That I rented this apartment for you. I bought this TV. I bought it for you. This house, I rented it for you. Anyway, I'll give you only one condition. That you will allow me to have your daughter as my wife. And then I can reconsider my decision to support both of you. Okay? Think about it, my dear. Think.
Keep your filthy money. Just leave. Just leave.
Money does it all. Money does it all.
Alhaji, leave.
All right. Tell your daughter I'll see you around. Tell her and think about what I just said.
Jesus Christ. He'll be back. You know what, Diamond? I want you to forget about that man for now, right?
Why?
Diamond, you won't understand. In fact, he had wanted to marry you, but I thought he was too old to be your father. That's why I want you to forget about him. Okay? Sweetheart, I'm not tired. Just forget about him for now, right? Who knows? You might be the 8th or the 6th wife. Besides, you are also pretty enough to be someone's first wife. So forget about him. I know you will meet a man of your age, right? So that you might live happily thereafter with that person. He's too old.
Okay, Mommy. If that's what you want me to do,
That's my girl.
I'll forget about him.
Thank you so much. Come on. That's what you do. Thank you very much. Good. Now get inside. And what were you?
Oh, baby. Oh, come on, Diamond. What is eating you up? Tell me. Sweetheart.
Alhaji, please. I can't accept your proposal.
Diamond. Me, Alhaji. Why? Tell me why.
I need to concentrate on my education.
But, Diamond, I promised to take care of you and your education. So, why are you worried? What problem?
Look, I'm not worried about my education. All I'm saying is that I have to concentrate. Besides, if anybody has to worry about my education, that must be my mother, not you.
That points to your mother. Your mother has been telling you things, hasn't she? This is your mother.
But she's my mother. She's my mother and I can't go against her will. I love her so much. Besides, you're an old man. You're too old for my liking. You're an Alhaji. You probably have 8, 10, 12 wives. Please, leave.
Diamond! How can you say things like this to me? You are Alhaji, me Alhaji.
Alhaji, so what? Alhaji, please leave my house.
Hey! Diamond, you know I love you. I will lie.
I said leave my house. Leave it.
Diamond, I love you now.
You love who?
Please, you give me some few months, please. At least for the sake of my daughter.
I'm not taking that from you.
Please.
I said I'm not taking this from you no more. Listen, unless you pay all the rent, I'm not letting you back into this house. You understand?
You give me some time. I have nowhere to go.
There is a go there. There is no space for you to sleep. Look at this splendor. And you're telling me I had to let you in. Alright. You just leave me alone.
Please, you give me some few days. I'll raise something up. Oh, please. Don't do this.
Madam.
Okay, bye. My gadgets are in.
Hey, you're not taking anything unless my 6 months rent is here. You take that. Oh, alright.
Oh, in fact, please.
Madam.
So, do you really mean that? So,
I see you.
Oh, is that how you are? Swam. What's so penny now? What's your grass one? So, what's wrong with you? What would you say? I go that way. And my man kind of crazy. Go away. Me bought us to grab me and sa. On in the bay. I see the say. Huh? What's your office? Why? Yes, massa. No one knew so about that. Say, children will be piano. I shall the yelling back. Shed your mother yay. And Jojo Miss like it to me. Huh? We nip the pepper money. What's so penny on Peduma? What compensation? Now for not yesterday. What was some idea? What way did I ask? Huh? This is a yako. I didn't see a defa. Hey, Jesus. Yeah, me say, if you're a crackers, lances, and come on, it's any. Here like that, and we can't go back to the village too. But the situation now depends on you alone, solely on you. Do you remember that Alhaji that followed you to the house the other day?
Yeah. What about him?
He has expressed interest to take care of us, if only you agree to be with him.
Father! Are you selling me out to a man as old as my father?
No. But then, that's the only way out now. And besides, your education too is at stake. You must make some sacrifices to be educated.
This is ridiculous. I'm disappointed, please.
Okay. Then be on the streets and then forgo your education. Diamond. See, I love you. Then we can't be on the streets like that. At the moment, he's our only hope. He's promised to take good care of you. I mean, to whatever level you want to be. I wish I could, but I don't have the means. So think about it. Right? I love you. Not that I don't love you, I love you. Think about it very well. You need to be educated too. Come on, don't cry. Don't cry. I want you to think about it. At the moment, he's our only hope.
Back to school.
Come on, princess. That's not it. I have real love for you. And that's for real. I love you. Come on. I'll never let you go. I'm holding on tight into your love, okay? So don't cry.
never wanted to be deflowered. Till I get married.
Look, Diamond, my princess, I want you to consider tonight your wedding night, because I will still marry you, and that's a promise. I'm holding on tight to your love, honestly. Baby, don't cry, okay? Don't cry, okay? Don't cry.
I have to go now.
Oh, why so soon?
I have to go back to school.
Anyway, I'll tell you something. Anytime you need anything, don't hesitate to ask me, because I'm there to do everything for you anytime. Okay? In the meantime, I'm going to give you 1 million cash. Okay? And then I'll write out a check for 40 million cedis. All for you. So you can use it for yourself.
Thanks a lot.
Ready? Oh, Jesus. We can see. Oh! Where from this?
This is 40 million cedis. And that's an extra 1 million he gave to me.
Oh! I told you. Oh, God. See, I told you. I told you this man. He's good. Eh?
He said I shouldn't hesitate to ask for money or anything I need.
Oh, Rade. Yeah. Let me sit down for me now. I say. Ah. You know what? Don't worry. Let's go and look for this landlord. Then we know what to do. Tomorrow I'll cash this one for you, okay? That was let's go. If you're no crowd. So here you was seeing and no. Say, here you were here. What's slangy? Quite some out of bar. If you're a slangy credit, it means about a train if you credit. Hey, let's go. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay.
Fatao na uya dai Jausu baye na fatao Jausu baye na fatao.
What you are doing is evil and wickedness. Total evil and wickedness. How can you sleep with a mother and then turn round and sleep with a daughter too?
Look at you. Don't I have the right to love the one that I want? Huh? Don't I have the right? Initially I loved you. You were the one that I loved and I took you in. Sincerely, I wanted you to be with me alone. But you fought it. You fought it and you betrayed my love by sleeping with my friend. What do you want me to do? Now that I found Diamond and I found my new love in Diamond, you are saying what? I love your daughter.
I can see you've lost respect. You don't respect yourself. That's what I can see. Diamond is my biological daughter. And do you know what it means?
Oh, I know.
What you are doing?
I know.
Oh, you know what it means?
I know what it means.
Okay.
But you see, Anita, it's a little bit too late. Because you see, I've slept with her. I've done it.
What?
Oh yes, I've done it. Oh.
Oh God. Okay.
Yeah.
No problem.
Okay.
No problem. I understand.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
But
thank you.
Alhaji,
Yeah?
if you're looking for true love, you can find it in me. Alhaji, I love you.
Oh, you sound so sweet, darling.
So forget about it.
Oh, you sound so sweet. And this is Anita of old.
Anita of old. But you see, you are now old. You are an old woman. Old lady. Your daughter is young. She's fresh blood. And you see, she knows how to touch. She's got that touch. That touch. I said now you are too old. And when she touches you, you know. But right now, you have even, your body has bojo. You know, that bojo. So, tall.
Alhaji, you've lost your senses. I can see you've lost your senses. Come on, get out of this house.
Oh.
Get out of my house. And don't let me see you with my daughter again.
Okay.
Right?
But I'll be with your daughter. And she's the one I love. And I'll always be with her. Because I love her and she'll be my wife. My wife.
Inshallah, your daughter will be my wife.
Idiot.
We shall see. Don't get irritated. Because I'll always be with her.
Nonsense. You mean me and not me your 40 engine dada. Overhaul the ground we am being ye. Na me be chiaka. Can you now what that me roll me no. No we say me your 40. Na me be chiaka. Wa pepe mu apa. What?
Okoto Nwo Anoma enti susuma ubumfube. Mi unyanka nesuna kachio. Uye pribia eyareniye oriasi.
Ye ubeku enwa na ubecha
eyareniye.
Obi nua kwadu nkocha bodie.
Time on. Yes, mommy. All that glitters is not gold. Diamond, you are a beautiful girl. A very pretty girl. And one day, I know you will meet a gentleman of age, ask your hand in marriage, whereby you two will live happily thereafter. Right?
I don't understand. Why are you saying all of this?
Because I want you to keep away from that man, Alhaji. He's not good for a girl like you.
You know, sometimes you confuse me. 1 minute Alhaji is a good man, another minute he's not good for me. Why must I forget about him when it was you who wanted me to love him in the first place?
Diamond, I don't want to answer your question, right? I am your mother, and I know what is good for you. Just take my advice and keep away from that man, Alhaji. He's a good-for-nothing man. Okay? And let me warn you, if I see you with that man, Alhaji, it's going to be rough between the two of us. Keep away from him. I just want you to keep away from him. Period. That's all.
Please go forward, okay? Please don't stop here.
Why? Why my son go forward? I mean, this is your house. Why should I stop some blocks away?
I know. I'm only trying to save us from the embarrassment. You know my mother. You know how much she despises you. I hate it when she talks to you that way. That's why I want you to park there, okay? Just give me a few minutes. I'll be right back.
Okay. All right. I'll do what pleases you, my dear.
Long today?
I went to see a friend at the hospital.
Yes. Have you heard or seen Alhaji?
Not at all.
That's good. Stay away from him, okay? He's nothing but a community virus. Stay away from him.
I hear you, Mom.
Okay. Where are you going again?
I'm going to school. We have a school project and I have to be in school right now, so I'll see you.
Don't stay long, right?
I will.
And take care of yourself.
I will. Love you.
I love you too.
Are you married?
Well, I told you once that I used to be a married man. But since my divorce, on the grounds of adultery, that's on the part of my wife, I've lived as a single man ever since, you see. But I have one confession to make. And that is, you are the one who stole my lonely heart.
You know, you're such a kind man, and I just don't understand. Why does my mom hate you so much?
Yeah, that's the point, you see. I would have loved sleeping dogs to lie. But, Diamond, since you brought it up, I just have to tell you. I'll have to tell you the truth, now or never. You see? I think your mother loves you.
Alhaji, how can you say such a thing like that? What makes you think my mom likes you while she knows you're dating me?
Exactly. That's the point. You see, you can't be too sure. Some mothers can betray and even destroy their own daughters. And your mother could be one. I'm telling you. Well, I hope if I should tell you this, you won't get angry. It wouldn't get to you. Your mother told me right in my face that she loves me and that I should stop going out with you because you're a student, you're a young girl, and that I should stop going out with you. The relationship should stop so that we can move together. And I can move in with her so that we can live as man and wife. But you know what? I put my foot down. I said never, never. I will never stop with you. Impossible. I refused, my dear. I refused, totally.
I see. I now know why my mom hates you so much.
in love with him. I'm mad. How can you fall in love with such a man? I'm sad. What do you know about love? You.
I knew nothing until you taught me, and I'm still learning. Besides, he hasn't done anything to me. He's good company and he takes good care of me. I just can't leave him like that.
Oh. So, Diamond, so you think you've grown enough to talk to me anyhow, eh? I see.
Susuma ubumfu bay miunyanka nesuna kachio uye bribia ayareniye moria simu Okoto Nwo Anoma susuma ubumfu bay miunyanka nesuna kachio uye bribia ayareniye moria simu
ubekuwa enwa na ubecha.
Diamond.
Yes, Mom.
Diamond, I want to tell you something. Promise me that you're not going to be upset.
What is it?
It's about Alhaji. We were once dating. That was before you came from the village.
Look, I don't believe you at all. As you can see, I'm trying to concentrate.
Did you just hear what I said? I said, the Alhaji that you were in love with was once my man. You were lovers.
So what do you expect me to do? Laugh or cry? Look, I don't believe you because I know my mother would be so naive into pushing me to sleep with a man she already dated. No one will believe you.
It's true. I have a proof of that. Diamond. Oh my goodness, God. I could have baby. Hey, Ayaka. I didn't tell me you about a cashier.
What did you buy so sadly? Nakonia Yankura. Son, you see a kind. Ewa memma wehura tena osua afana wotano otenhunara misimi unu yanka dia eni adro babia wajeju besu sad na konia yankura kese wani usi akan ewa memma wehura tena okonsua afana wotano otenhunara
Okoto Nwo Anoma susuma ubu.
Good day, Mom. Is there any food for me today?
Don't walk in here and be calling me mom, okay? I'm not your mother. Am I your mother? Am I your mother? I'm asking you. Huh? Don't walk in here again and call me mom. See, I'm not doing my son group. But why? I'm your mate, right? Because you're machine, what's machine? You know that sugar, but why? We sleep with the same man. Don't come in here and call me your mother.
Mom, this is not fair. Why don't you understand that Alhaji means everything to me apart from God and you? He's the only one that keeps me going, and I can't simply forget about him just like that.
And dare not call me mother, right? Dare not walk in here and call me mom or ask me for your food. I'm not your mother, right? I didn't make down. When you could drop it down with me, the shake, not swash it. But what? You see, you didn't want some crew. Yes, you know. And yes, I. I was watching of the one. Now I forget. And they are coming. Mom, come here and call me mom. What the Jimmy saw? And Jimmy Baba so. Hey, girl, what do you think you are doing? Huh? What do you think you are doing?
I'm cooking. For us.
Cooking for who? Who asked you to cook? How can I happily eat from the hands of a daughter who doesn't respect? I'm sorry.
I don't understand.
As long as you continue to fool around with Alhaji, consider yourself my enemy, right? In fact, go to his house and cook for him. This is my house and everything belongs to me, right? Come on. That's it. That's another one. Tell me. Nonsense. Here. So you touch anything again? Say I'm cooking. Who asked you to touch my things? What exactly do you need from me? Huh? What do you want from me? Who asked you to wash the things? Have I asked you? How did you do that?
Mama, I always wash your clothes for you, so what difference does it make if I wash them today?
Not now. It was when I considered you as a daughter. At the moment you are a married woman. We are all married the same man. So I don't want you to touch my things, okay? Don't be touching me again. Don't touch me again. Nonsense. Next time you learn lesson out of this foolish girl. Stupid fool. You see, I'm not worried about my back. It wasn't so big. So what did I make a channel? When you got a rival. Stupid. He'll be back. You know what, Diamond? I want you to forget about that man for now, right?
Why?
Diamond, you wouldn't understand. In fact, he had wanted to marry you, but I thought he was too old to be your father. That's why I want you to forget about him. Okay? Sweetheart, I'm not tired. Who knows? You might be the 8th or the 6th wife. Besides, you are also pretty enough to be someone's first wife. So forget about him. I know you will meet a man of your age, right? So that you might live happily thereafter with that person. He's too old.
Okay, Mommy. If that's what you want me to do,
that's my girl.
I'll forget about him. Get inside and what were you? Diamond, as you can see, we can't be here like that, and we can't go back to the village too. So what do we do?
In fact, the situation now depends on you alone. Solely on you. Do you remember that Alhaji that followed you to the house the other day?
Yeah. What about him?
In fact, he has expressed interest to take care of us, if only you agree to be with him.
Mother! Selling me out to a man as old as my father?
No. But then, that's the only way out now. And besides, your education too is at stake. You must make some sacrifices to be educated.
This is ridiculous.
disappointed, please. Okay. Then go on the streets and then forgo your education. Diamond. See, I love you. But then we can't be on the streets like that. At the moment, he's our only hope. He's promised to take good care of you. I mean, to whatever level you want to be. I wish I could, but I don't have the means. So think about it. Right? I love you. Not that I don't love you, I love you. Think about it very well. You need to be educated too. Come on, don't cry. Don't cry. I want you to think about it. At the moment, he's our only hope. To Alhaji, not you. If you're looking for a husband, go back to the village. Your husband is waiting for you there. Alhaji will always be mine and mine forever.
You this girl. Are you crazy? You are crazy, eh? Do you want to compete with me? And let me tell you, there is no way that you can ever compete with me, right?
Ashamed of yourself. Look at you, an old woman, competing with me over a man who doesn't feel anything for you. Look at this delicious body, at this Taraban's body. You can compete with me in your wildest dreams. I feel sorry for you.
Are you trying to insult me? Are you here to insult me? Huh? Mom, you slapped me and I will slap you again. Open your mouth. Dare open your mouth again and I will slap you. Stupid fool. Shampoo. Kola kitwa ni aba mepe na so pe. Mebwa. Dia mi die e na so pe so odibi. Kola woni. E dia ma mo ye dia. You go brim. You go dia e na so odibi. Koshidi. Stupid.
I feel sorry for you. Old lady pancake. Wait, chipons is I'm glad to say, old lady bongo. Look at this old lady, what time it came? Go and look for a man of your own. Your husband is waiting for you in the village. Go back. I feel sorry for you.
Diamond, this pen is good. Anita, why have you frowned your face? I hope there is no problem.
Alhaji,
I haven't uttered a word since you came. Don't call for trouble this afternoon. Don't call for trouble. If you are here to pick your so-called wife, just pick her and go away. It's my face. I can choose to do whatever I like to it.
Oh, thank you for accepting the fact that she is my so-called wife. But one thing I don't understand is, why are you jealous? Huh? Why are you jealous? You want to compete with that beautiful daughter of yours? Eh? Look, Anita, accept defeat so that peace can prevail. Huh? Oh yes, here comes my beautiful queen. Queenie Gonda. Diamonds are forever. See that? Okay.
See you, mommy.
See you wouldn't need me with you, so what's it? See you wouldn't need and it was sing.
You're too jealous. Jealousy.
On the gate because it's locked.
Yes, I locked it. And as you can see, I'm very tired and I hate to be disturbed in the middle of the night.
I'm sorry.
You should be sorry for yourself. As a matter of fact, I am not going to let you in this house tonight. I'm not a gate woman.
But man, it's only 11:30.
Oh. For hawkers and horse like you, it's not late. But for some people like me, it's as late as midnight. Nonsense. Come on, go back to where you came from. I'm not going to open it today or tomorrow for you.
Oh, mommy. Oh, mommy, please.
For what I'm
Oh, mommy, are you serious? Oh, mommy. How can you be this heartless? Where did she expect me to go to this night? Mommy! Mommy, so you won't open the gate for me? Okay.
It's so nice, isn't it? It's so beautiful. I like it.
I've played it, I think, to every other high school.
Now you're enjoying it. Enjoying it so much.
Yes, what?
Tell me.
You know, my mother actually locked me out of the house last night. I had to go and sleep at the old roof opposite my house. Can you imagine?
Hello, mother. So that woman can be so heartless.
She's even warned me to end the relationship with him because I said no. She has stopped me from using her cooking utensils.
Look, Diamond, you are leaving the house. You are leaving that house. You see, that mother of yours, I cannot trust her anymore. Never. No, I'm going to get a very decent apartment for you. Okay? So that you'll be on your own. Look, if this thing goes on or continues, it will affect your studies. Look, my sweetheart, you are leaving. You are leaving.
Oh, sweetheart.
Of course, I have the money. I can get a nice place for you.
Take it easy. You know she's still my mother. And she'll always remain my mother. So...
No. Diamond, no. You need your privacy. You need your privacy so that you can study. Also, if it goes on like this, it will affect your studies. Okay? But as for your mom, Diamond, you must leave. You must leave the house.
Anyway, let me spend the night at your house because I know she won't open the gate for me at this time of the night.
Oh, sweetheart, sit down, let's go.
Is that all you have?
Yeah, let's go.
Where do you think you're going?
It is none of your business where I go, since I'm with the one I love. You now treat me as your mate than your daughter. I think I better move into my husband's house, okay?
Let's go! Check your husband indeed. Have you seen what you've got? Huh? Alhaji, have you seen?
Cost what? What have I cost? What have I cost? If it hadn't been for your jealousy and your wickedness, you would have lived in this house under the same roof with your daughter in peace and harmony. Come on, let's go. Come on.
You want to follow him?
Sure, let's go. This way.
Wow, shit. I said my mouth is very inside.
Oh, shut up.
Oh, you are a shameful person. Will you wear some bravo?
So, my dear, do you like your new place?
Hey, it's heaven on earth. I can never thank you for what you've done for me.
I should be saying that. You know what I mean? I should be saying that. And the way you're so tender and very, you know, beautiful. I'm falling so much in love with you.
I've fallen so much in love with you. You're my first man and I intend to be with you forever.
Really? Thank you so much.
Come on, give me a kiss. I love you.
I love you too.
Sisi abra as anya wuye eni jebe me se me tia ma me bre enti se me no sunwa na ase de sei
me somafo adwuma nyam papa dia o
na mutu ye somafo wuye nipa enye nipa so go office wo omo ye me wo ka ti wo mo ntase
edum kania seconds kra na omo kasa didi ECG fo atem woni kasa abra office wo na be kasa
wo ka ti wo ntase so be ni na ho aso a no pate so be ni na mo agege la yi light bill a no mpabo tu nyina na ehi no me ngini bibi no fo tia na so ma no
ino nyam kasa tia
na me nyo kasa tia bele so me kasa o na ba mo e de na me
hwe su ba kra sa na ate e me disconnect na me ko
hwe
su ba ya no
na ye di su ba na disconnect light na na wo wa mo da mo
mi unu yanka tia ni adro wo babia wajeju ba su sadi na koni ayankro Sonu siakai ewo mema wo hurat na uswa.
Look Anita, you've made another big mistake again. I mean, how can you drive your only daughter out of the house? Stella, it was humiliating, very humiliating. I mean, watching my own daughter sleeping with another man that I have befriended. You should also understand. I won't understand you today, not tomorrow. Whose fault was it? Huh? Anita, whose fault was it? If you had not pushed the little girl into sleeping with Alhaji, all this wouldn't have happened. And after pushing her, you turn around and molest her. It's just not fair. At least you should have also stopped for the first time. At least you should have also ended the relationship for the first time. She's also a human being with feelings. And she never believed you when you said Alhaji was once human. So, what do I do? I need advice. What do I do? Look, you have no option but to apologize to her. She's your daughter, for Christ's sake. Just reconcile with her and have a good relationship with Alhaji, that's all. Would you accompany me to her? Of course. Okay. You know I'm always willing to help you. Let's go. Let's go.
Look, Diamond, if I were you, I wouldn't move back into that house. That mother of yours, she's so unpredictable, you wouldn't know where the problem will arise from next.
Look, she looks stubborn than before. I feel she's come to understand that we're inseparable. So let's just give her a chance, please.
I'm not happy. I'm not happy. You see, but she's your mother. And like the saying goes, blood is thicker than water. So I have no problem if you think that's best for you, okay?
Thank you so much for understanding.
You're most welcome.
Okay, so I'm gonna get my manicure and pedicure done. You can pick me up, let's say, 1 hour?
No, that's all right with me.
All right, so I love you.
Yeah, I love you.
Bye.
Look at me, you know. Look, I got a surprise for you. See this car key? It's a key to one of my cars. And that's the car you're leaning on. You see? I want to hand over this car to you so that you can use it. It is for you. Okay? Yeah. You like it? This is the car I bought. Brand new. I bought this car all the way from Ontario. Yeah. And I hope you like it. Yeah. I want you to have it on the condition that you can let me have Diamond, so that we can all live in peace and harmony. Okay? So take the key, take the key, take the key. And also, I also have a check for you. A check for 150 million cedis. You see, this is in a way to compensate you for everything, so that you can allow me have Diamond for myself. So take it. Take it. It's 150 million cedis. But please, I want you to do something for me. Don't tell your daughter I gave you 150 million cedis. Just tell her I gave you 30 million cedis, so that everything will be there and there, you know. Okay? You need to do that for me. Okay? You like it? So it's a deal. So that peace can prevail, isn't it? Cheers. Thank you too.
You should have told us to come home today. Hey, come here, teaser to be. And that's a reverend pine for phobia. So I'm present the assholes also.
Anytime you know.
Oh, sit down, sit down. Sit down.
Beautiful.
So, what do I offer you? You have everything here.
Don't worry. I'm alright. And I'll be going to the office to meet some clients in an hour's time. So, but where is my sweetheart?
Diamond, you know her and her novel syndrome. She's in there reading another one. Maybe I should call her for you.
Yeah, alright.
Just a second. I'll just call her so that she keeps your company for you right now.
Okago, full of charcoal, arrow glass, arrow glass.
Oh my God.
My sweetest. Oh, you're looking good.
How are you?
Lovely. Thank you.
So,
Yeah.
how is my man?
Your man is doing so well. You're looking so sweet. Lovely.
But, you know, I'll need a car of my own. But anyway, thanks for putting my mom back in business. She showed me the check he gave her, the 30 million check.
Oh, I see. Your mom.
But Alhaji, you know, I'll need a car of my own.
Sweetheart, you don't need a car now. Look, after graduating from school, buy a beautiful car of your own choice.
Is that a promise?
It's a pledge.
Anyway, what are we going to do today?
I'll take you out to lunch, and we shall pass through the office so I can see some clients in just about an hour. Can we do that?
grab my bag.
Cheers. Do that. Soft. That arrow glass. Look at this one. Beautiful thing. And you want to compete with? Well, it's good. Everything is cool.
Larry, I called you here to apologize for what happened the other time.
Oh my, it's okay. It's understandable. I mean, any mother would have done that, so I understand. And probably I should have done it in a better way, so I'm the one who is sorry.
Young guys of today, they are all the same. Anyway, it's somehow accepted. Tell me, what do you do for a living?
Me? I don't do anything. I just eat, sleep, walk around, hang out. I don't do anything.
Just that?
Just that. I don't do anything.
I see. Then I want to employ you as my personal driver. Do you drive?
Yeah, I drive.
You do?
Yeah. Wow.
Okay.
That would be delightful. I mean, absolutely.
Good. Then get yourself prepared because you're starting work just next week.
Okay.
And the payment will be 2 million cedis a month.
2 million cedis? Agreed. 2 million cedis? Oh man! You're gonna pay me 2 million? I pocket the food already.
So it's been agreed.
Yeah, I agree.
But on one condition.
What condition? Any condition. I mean, I don't mind. Anything. Any condition. Just say it.
Any condition?
Any condition. Whatever.
On condition that you will be my boyfriend. Alhaji, as for today, you have to finish this food. Hey, Diamond. Yes, make sure he finishes everything. And in case you need more, just draw my attention. I'll be out of the kitchen.
Oh, why? I don't know do that.
No. I want to leave the two of you so that you just sweet nonsense with my daughter. Okay, bon appetit. stood so long by sleeping with that thing, that driver. Girl, nothing is wrong with it, right? Besides, he's a real good guy. Okay? I love him, just as you also love that your Alhaji. So keep your Alhaji and let me keep mine. What about this money?
Brother Larry gave it to me.
For what?
He said he loves me and he wants to marry me and take care of my education. Isn't that great?
Diamond, have I told you I cannot look after you? Have I? Oh, you've started collecting money from people. Brother Larry gave this to you and you were so happy, right? For what? Diamond, be cautious of city men. Be cautious of city men. They will start giving you this for toffees and biscuits and whatnot, followed by lifting and then lanchi. You are happy over it. Come on, give me the money. Give me the money at once. Let's go. Where is he? Follow me. Hey, Larry! Come on, hurry up. Hey, where is he? Larry! You're good. Where is he? Hey, Larry, or whatever you call yourself, stay out of my daughter's life, right? I don't want to see you with my daughter again, okay?
I don't understand.
You will not understand too. And what is this? Huh? What is this? Nonsense. Have I asked you to cater for her for me? Are you the one going to look after her at school? Fool.
But mommy, Brother Larry is a nice young man. He has promised to marry me.
Will you shut up? What do you know about marriage? Disappointed. Don't be, because I'm not going to leave him. Oh God. Disgust me. You don't put the meat here. Fine.
I should be calling you father, right? How dare you take advantage of my mother? How dare you?
It's not what you
Oh, you shut up that ugly mouth of yours. Do you know what I'm thinking? I called you red-handed making love to my mother and you're here telling me it's not what I think. Are you insane? Look, let this be the very first and last time I ever catch you with my mother. Or she wouldn't live to tell your story. You understand? Gigolo. Handsome young man like you allow yourself to be misused? Why are you even going out with a lady that is capable of being your mother?
It's not like that. I mean, I try to resist her, except it's not easy. It's just not easy.
So you decided to get a taste of her, right?
Not really.
So, do you have a girlfriend?
No.
Men, they always don't have girlfriends.
It's not like that.
You're handsome.
think I like you.
Don't you know how to breathe? Huh? It's up to her. She only knows why she's behaving like that.
Do you want me to leave?
Leave? Absolutely no. I own this place. She doesn't.
But like family, so...
Take it easy. Are you scared or something like that? Huh?
Oh well.
Take it easy, my baby.
Okay, so where were we?
Larry, what kind of games are you playing with us? You're sleeping with me and at the same time screwing my mother. I thought you promised to stop the relationship with my mother, didn't you?
I know I said that. Diamond, you don't understand. Every time I try to avoid your mother, she uses my job to blackmail me. And you know it's not easy getting a job nowadays. That's why.
So, are you promising me that if I was to get you another job, you would quit the relationship with my mother?
Definitely. Sure thing.
Then, when she gets back, I want you to immediately tell her that you're quitting her job and you don't want to work with her anymore.
But what if she asks me like, why do I want to leave? What do I say?
Must you give her a reason for everything? You have your own life and you can choose whatever you want to do with it.
Well, on second thought, yeah, you're right. I don't need to give her a reason. Yeah, you're right.
You know I've always been right.
No, I don't understand what you're saying. I mean, you were desperately in need of this job, and why do you now want to quit?
I'm sure you're aware the way your daughter attacks me everywhere. From the garage, the kitchen, just basically everywhere. I can't handle it anymore. I'm fed up.
Okay. If my daughter is the problem, you leave that to me. I can handle her, right? Because you don't have to go.
I'm sorry. But my mind is made up. And I want to leave. not even you can change it. I want to leave and I will leave. I'm sorry.
Are you serious? Excuse me. Larry? Larry! Larry!
Wanted to be a Mashanya Miani Monyam. Sawa Chatuano, and one now by Namswa. We are Bonia Osia, we are Papa Swasa. Why are Bonia Mosia, a fan now, Otano, Otanunarapa.
So there's nothing you can do about it.
Oh, I cannot do anything about it. That's what you think. You think I can't do anything about it, eh?
What on earth can you do? Throw me out or tell Alhaji? He won't even believe you.
Oh, I will do both. I will do both. Because you are as promiscuous as a whore. A real whore.
I inherited it from you. Like mother, like daughter. Foolish girl.
Foolish girl. Shawo. Shawo kekele. Jamani asafo. Stupid fool.
Yes, wo. Wanted to be a Mashanya Miani Monyam. Sawa Chatuano, and one now by Namswa. We are Bonia Osia, we are Papa Swasa. Why are Bonia Mosia, a fan now, Otano, Otanunarapa?
I met Larry first.
Get Larry first. You decided to rub shoulders with me, eh? Any man I go in for, you also come there. I went in for Alhaji, you went there. I went for Larry too, now you are there. What is wrong with you? You say cross.
I met Larry first, mother. You know
nonsense.
Don't tell me that you met Larry first. And tell me you persuaded me into leaving him alone. I'm not going to do that for the second time. So you better go look for your old man, okay?
Are you sick or something?
Do I look sick to you?
Don't you know?
But you can't compete with me. Mother, you can't compete with this beautiful body, can you?
And you what? I saw night and I don't want sa and it's sunny. That's a short one, sir. Na cabbage, I would be a sunny abama share.
Look, lady, I advise you to go and look for your old man, okay? And leave Larry alone. Just leave him alone.
I should stay away from Larry.
Yes.
What put down? What put down? Now you see what you did. Baby, you have a problem if you have a hour. You want a rubber, it's your need.
Leave Larry alone. Leave Larry alone.
So are you going to slap me or what? Are you going to slap me or what? Huh? A whore like you, anyone I go in for, she will be there for that person. What is the meaning of nonsense?
Sweetheart.
Oh, honey. Welcome.
Thank you. What is happening? What's happening to your mom?
Just forget about her, you know, she's in one of those mood swings.
I see. Your mom, this problem of hers, I don't know. I think it's menopause. I think she's in a menopause. She's growing old, yes?
Just forget about her. Let's get
A
out.
friend of mine calls it menopausal syndrome. Don't mind it. Let's go.
Let's get out of this crazy house.
The squad